back with another video. So today is just going to be a quick video on Loc Maintenance. I won't be retwisting or styling his hair. We're going to go to Atlanta to get that done. Okay, so the first step here, we dampened his hair in the sink and towel dried it. The concoction in that bottle is warm water, apple cider vinegar, neutralizing shampoo, and a little bit of tea tree oil. It's a little bit of a detox for his scalp because he does get dry scalp and it be itchy and all that stuff. So we're going to do that before we shampoo. So I'm just going to section off his locks into 4 sections so I can really get into like every part of his scalp because that's very important. You don't want to miss any spots. And this mixture will definitely help with the itchiness and the dryness of the scalp. So I'm going to start with the back 2 sections. I did cut out the part of doing the front because it's really repetitive. So whatever I do to the back, I'm going to do to the front. So I did shorten the clip a little bit. So I will show you what I do for the back 2 sections. And then, of course, the front 2 sections, I do the same exact thing. So I'm just going to separate the locks. Each row that they're already in his head, we're going to spray the scalp and we're going to either scratch or rub, just depends. Certain spots in his head are a little bit worse than the other spots. So sometimes you'll see me like just rub with the tips of my fingers, and then other spots you'll see me actually scratching his scalp. And so we'll come back when we're done with that. Okay, so once the front 2 sections are complete, you're going to let this sit for 5 minutes. But why does he got his hand up like that? He is so annoying, y'all. But you're going to let this mixture sit on the scalp for about 5 minutes. And then we shampooed his hair twice after letting it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so after the shampoo, we're going to towel dry the hair, like which I did already. Now, the fun part, we're going to color his locks. Okay, so as y'all can see, he has a prior color on his hair. One side is kind of like an ombre, brownish to light blonde. That was an accident. And the other side is like a white blonde. So he did pick the colors he wanted. He wanted red and kind of a burnt orange because, of course, fall is coming. Now, this side that you see me putting away, that was already like an orangish fire color. So we're going to go ahead and keep those tones on the same side. And I'll be putting the burnt orange on that side. And then the blonde side was like a lightish gray. And of course that washed out. So we're going to go ahead and do the red on that side. So I'll be using Kiss Colors, the Tintation line. So that's the color Crimson. And I believe the other color is called Cajun Spice. We'll see here in a second. Yes, Cajun Spice will go on the other side. So we're just going to do one side at a time. And you're going to need a relaxer brush, a dye brush, whatever you want to call it. I just go ahead and place the dye directly on the brush because, of course, he doesn't have a lot of locks, nor are we coloring the whole entire lock, so no need to put the color in a bottle and be wasting color. So all I'm going to do is color each lock where the blonde color is, and you're going to kind of go up where the black is as well, because you don't want a line of demarcation. It goes like, you know, natural color straight to red. It looks real harsh, so you do want to bring that color up on the natural color as well, just so it fades nicely. So you will see me do this side, the crimson color, and the other side is going to be the Cajun spice color. Of course, I didn't put the clip of me doing this entirely because it's repetitive. You just do each lock the same way. Okay, so now we're going to put a processing cap over his hair, and we're going to let this process for about an hour. And we're going to rinse with cool water until the color is no longer running in the water. So you want to rinse until clear with cool water so your color stays in. And then our next step will be deep conditioning. Okay, so after rinsing, we're going to towel dry, and I'll be using Dr. Miracle's deep conditioner in the super version. They have a regular version, and I believe they have a light version, but we're going to use super because he needs it. So you're going to put the deep conditioner on the roots of the hair, the part you just colored, everywhere you can, and you're just going to work that into the scalp. And we're going to put another processing cap, a clean processing cap, over his hair, and then we're gonna let that sit for another hour or so. If you have the time to use heat, so if you want to sit under a dryer, or if you have a hooded blow dryer attachment to your handheld blow dryer, you can sit under the dryer for 30 minutes. That'll take, you know, the time off a little bit. But if not, if you're just gonna do the processing cap, I do suggest doing an hour. And then again, you're gonna rinse this with cool water because you want to keep the moisture and also keep the color. And then you're going to towel dry again. He likes to air dry his hair because, of course, he don't like sitting under the dryer. I have a hooded dryer, but he'd just rather air dry his hair. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will not be retwisting or styling or cutting his hair. We traveled to Atlanta the next day. So he had his barber do his hair. In the last clip, you'll see the finishing results, and we will tag her on the screen, and I'll put all of her information as far as her booking site, her Instagram, things of that nature in the bio. In the description box, y'all. So all his barber's information will be there. But that's about it, you guys. You'll see me working the conditioner in his hair, and then you will see me showing the finishing results as far as my part. You will see a little product buildup in his hair still. That's okay. His barber usually is able to get that out because I don't have a shampoo bowl, so I can't sit him in the shampoo bowl and let the apple cider vinegar and baking soda soak, which is usually what they do to detox the locks, and it's easy to get the product buildup out. But we're at home, y'all, so we can't do all that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next couple of videos to follow will be the vlog of his actual birthday, so be looking out for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Turn around. Turn around.